Julius Caesar, Act 5, Scene 4, The Battle Lost. It's a very short scene. This is another battle scene. In the midst of fighting, Brutus enters with young Cato, Lucilius, and others. Cato is Porcia's younger brother. Cato was also the name of Porcia's father, that is, young Cato's father. He tells them to be brave. Young Cato shouts Brutus' name and confirms his loyalty to Rome. Even his father Cato had died for Rome in the process of preventing Caesar from becoming a tyrant. He is slain by the enemy. Young Cato dies very quickly in this scene. One of Brutus' officers, Lucilius, is captured by Antony's soldiers, who think through an error that he is Brutus. One of the soldiers go to Antony to report the matter, and Lucilius also doesn't reveal that he's not Brutus. He hopes that Brutus shall escape in the meanwhile. When Antony comes to the scene, Lucilius, pretending to be Brutus, tells him that Brutus is alive and will never be taken prisoner. Because Antony recognizes Brutus, he tells the soldiers that this is not Brutus, and then Lucilius says that Brutus has already escaped. Antony recognizes Lucilius, whom he orders to be treated well, because the war is about to be over, and he would rather have loyal soldiers by his side after the war is over, rather than just kill them. Now the final scene, Scene 5, the death of Brutus. Brutus and a handful of his soldiers are exhausted and are resting on a rock. Brutus believes he is doomed. Caesar's ghost fulfilled its prophecy and reappeared last night. So its second sighting has not been shown in the play. Brutus seeks someone to help him end his life, but because he does not want to be captured. But Clitus, Dardanius, and Volumnius all refuse to oblige him. As the enemy approaches, he persuades all except Strato to escape. He tells everybody to run away. After taking his leader's hand, Strato holds the sword. So Strato agrees to help Brutus in committing suicide. He just holds the sword, and Brutus, falling on it, speaks his last words: "Caesar, now be still. I killed not thee with half so good a will." So he comments that finally the ghost of Caesar should be at peace after having taken revenge. And also he wants to clarify that he had killed Caesar with a lot of regret, pain, and hesitation. But he's killing himself with twice the will. It's easier for him to kill himself. Then, as the retreat sounds, Octavius, Antony, Messala, Lucilius, and the army march on. So by this time, Messala, Lucilius are with Antony. Strato tells them the manner of Brutus's death. Lucilius praises and thanks the dead Brutus for being true to himself, because Lucilius had told Antony in the previous scene that they would not be able to capture Brutus alive, and indeed that was so, because Brutus is a man of honor. He's a stoic. A mood of generosity is shown by the victors and the vanquished. Vanquished means the defeated. Octavius offers service to all who have served Brutus and takes Strato into his household on Messala's recommendation. So like Messala and Lucilius, Octavius and Antony take Strato also under their service. Now there's no point in fighting further. Octavius takes command. The body of Brutus shall lie in state in his tent for the night while the victory is celebrated. So Octavius is giving Brutus the much deserved respect. Octavius is magnanimous, generous in victory, but is outdone by Antony. Antony is even more generous. He has been looking at the body of Brutus, whom Caesar loved more than himself. Now Brutus is dead, and Antony pays tribute to him, praises him by referring to him as the noblest Roman of them all. A man who was motivated by a general honest thought and common good to all, a gentle life yet so complete that nature might boast, this was a man. Antony said that all other conspirators had some hidden agenda, jealousy, insecurity, etc. But Brutus was truly thinking about the welfare of Rome. He said that nature might think that a man perfect in every way is Brutus. Here ends the tragedy with the resolution of the main action. Caesar has been avenged, revenge has been taken. Brutus has won more honor by his defeat than Octavius and Antony by their victory. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, if you'd like to enroll for my test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check my description for more information.